thank you for being with us today. Sorry. Nope. So can you tell us a bit what is Siemens Vertical Electronics? I mean, what is it about? Because we saw the semiconductors, and I was like, semiconductor is not electronics. It's not the same thing. Yeah.
Yeah. Semiconductor and electronics is a little bit different, and the vertical electronics is, of course, focusing more on electronic customers. Yeah, we similar to the other verticals, we really want to support electronics customers with our solutions, so not really focus only on the products, and we are representing the whole digital industry's hardware and software solutions.
Okay.
So we can be the first focal point if you are an electronics customer.
Great. And what can be the add value for me if I ever wanted to collaborate with you?
Yeah, the added value, and I like to take the example of a mobile phone manufacturer, is that we work together with the product designer. Yeah, so normally if you have your mobile phone, there is one team taking care of the design. Then there is the manufacturer, where you really manufacture the mobile phone. So we work with the manufacturer. And then there are the OEMs, yeah, the machine builders of these phones. And also to give you here one example, I'm, for example, focusing on components or passive components. And one very popular passive component is MLCC. It's called multi-layer ceramic capacitor. And your phone, for example, the iPhone has around 1,000 MLCC assembled in this phone. Or if you take a car, it can be up to 3,000 to 4,000 in a normal petrol-driven car. And if it's an electric vehicle, it can be up to 12,000 MLCCs.
Really impressive. Yeah, and for me, I also was like, especially for the iPhones, like they are made in the US, but they are built in China. And after that, you see, it's from China. No, it's really a real iPhone. It's just built there. But okay. So, and if we ever wanted to get in contact with you, is there an easy way to get in touch?
Yeah, first of all, as everybody said, you can contact me. And we have, of course, an HQ team sitting in Nuremberg. So we are taking care of electronics customers globally. But of course, we have a global vertical setup. So we have in US a contact person, in Mexico, in the hub in Singapore, same as in China. We have a big China team for electronics customers. And yeah, also in Europe, of course, not to forget Europe. Yeah.
Interesting. And yeah, the $1,000 question. Do you have a use case where you might have built a solution for electronics using WinCC away?
Yes, one really good reference we have is with TDK Electronics, and I'm really happy that Sebastian Bachinger is also here. He is from TDK Electronics. He's the head of Industry 4.0, and we really would like to show a video.
TDK Electronics betreibt hier in Österreich, in Deutschlandsberg, auf einer Fläche von 70.000 Quadratmetern den größten Standort von TDK in Europa. Wir sind der Hauptsitz der Business Group Piezo and Protection Devices und somit das Kompetenzzentrum für keramische Bauelemente. Ein Auswerten der Daten war in der Vergangenheit mit extrem hohem Zeitaufwand verbunden. Das hat sich mit dem Shopfloor Integration Layer von Siemens signifikant verbessert.
Unser Shopfloor Integration Layer ist eine Lösung, die auf WinCC basiert. Die Lösung fungiert als Schnittstelle zwischen der OT und den Analytics-Tools von der TDK Electronics. Sie bereitet die Daten, die in unterschiedlichen Systemen generiert werden, in Hinsicht auf Vollständigkeit, auf Richtigkeit und Zusammengehörigkeit auf. Zum Beispiel werden Fehler oder Prozessdaten mit der aktuellen Auftrags- und Seriennummer verknüpft. Prozesstechniker können dann alle Daten zu einer entsprechenden Charge abrufen.
Eines der Module, das wir für TDK Electronics implementiert haben, dient der Überwachung von Sinteröfen. Ist ein solches Modul einmal implementiert, kann es standardübergreifend weltweit eingesetzt werden. Damit entfällt zum Beispiel die manuelle Datensuche für das Reporting.
Mit dem Shopfloor Integration Layer steigern wir nicht nur die Effizienz und die Flexibilität in der Fertigung, sondern tragen auch zur Zukunftssicherung unseres Unternehmens bei.
And as a feedback from your customer, how is it their feedback with the using like WinCC as base for their product so far?
I think they are very happy, but you can directly also ask Sebastian Bachinger to get a clear feedback from the customer directly. But what we hear from TDK Austria especially, which is the headquarter of this business group, they are very happy and satisfied and are recommending it also with this reference.
Okay, well, thank you very much. Well, guys, you know, Sebastian is here. So if you have questions about how to become an OEM and how to build a product based on WinCC OA, he's the right guy. And Björn. Thank you, Björn.
Thank you.